Good afternoon, this is Pat Walker, Mission Winners, doing a training coaching video here. Yesterday, follow through day. A day, normally, that is a day that you can buy. This is very important. What do we like to see on follow through days? We want to see naturally good price accompanied by a good volume pickup. All right, not just a little bit, but a better volume pickup, a substantial. Yesterday, on the spiders, it was up. Volume was slightly heavier, but it wasn't extremely robust. It wasn't like, wow. Point number one. Point number two, what else do we need for a good follow-through day? I'm being really serious here. I was an IBD meetup co-leader for 12 years. We hammered this all the time. What do we need? We need to see stocks, good stocks, breaking out of good bases on heavy volume. Those constraints must be met. Both of them. You don't need a lot of stocks breaking out, but you need some quality companies breaking out on heavy volume. So let's think about this. Did we have that yesterday? Did we? No, we didn't. We had some stocks picking up, but there was no really heavy volume of good companies in good groups breaking out of good bases on heavy volume. So did we do much buying yesterday? No, and please don't think, oh, that's Pat Walker thumping his chest. No, it's not. It's just analyzing the facts in front of us, the details, and acting accordingly. It helps us. It helps us. You could again see there were stocks that lifted, but not a lot of volume on it. Here's Merck. Merck was good yesterday. However, we own it from lower and we weren't chasing up here. Okay, there we go. CC lifted, but we weren't chasing. Let it work. TBT, we're in down lower and we're just letting it work. Nothing to do with it. Valero lifted up, but notice how it tailed off yesterday. Yesterday was supposed to be a follow-through day, right? And look what this stock does. It gaps up and it reverses and closes down on a pickup in volume. That's not strong buying, right? They sold into it. Did we buy more? No. Then we could take a look at the maxlist stocks, some of these. Yeah. You're not going to see this in any chart book saying, this is a clean and simple base breakout and this is what you want to do to buy. No, you're not. Amazon, you're not going to see this in any books, from anybody saying, this is a high probability setup. This is what you're looking for. Facebook didn't break out. Google, it actually gapped up and closed below where it opened on no volume. You're not going to see it anywhere. The moral of the story is, were we buying any of these stocks? No, it wasn't there. There was no juice there. There were no clean and simple bases. You're very stringent with that. It really, really helps us. All right? So the moral of the story is, and this is important, wait for clean and simple base breakouts. You get the follow-through day, you will want to see some quality stocks with great earnings and or great sales, preferably in the top 40 or 50 groups, with a high composite rating, all right, and a clean and simple chart pattern a fifth grader could understand, and they're breaking across tops, and it's doing it on heavy volume. I mean, that right there, that's $1 million statement if you soak it up. Write it down. Wait for it. Wait for it. It will make you money, and it also does something else. It keeps you safe. It keeps you safe. There's a days to really push it, and there's times not to. And good investors know the difference. That's why I'm making this video, hopefully to help you to manage them. Also, make sure, and this is very important, never let a good profit turn into a loss. If it lifts off and it starts to reverse down, you got to manage it. ExxonMobil starts to break out, lifts. Look what it does. No power there. This was breaking out yesterday. Or you could say the day before. There's no volume power, no extreme power. You've got to be cautious with that. Occidental Petroleum starts to lift up and they take it right back, indicative of the market. Devon was a good run for us, and we sold into strength and locked it in, and it worked out great. There we go. CF, entry down lower, lifts up, starts to fall. You're done. There's a time to be plowing into the market, and there's a time to just be sitting. And it's important to differentiate the two. And if the power's not there, the stocks were talking to you.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.